Human beings are multidimensional beings. Just like this universe, you have many layers and dimensions. Your human body is made up of 13 layers of energy. The foremost layer is the physical form, the layer which you can feel and touch, and see its reflection in the mirror. The other 12 energy layers envelop the physical form. And the 7 of them are generally known as your aura. These layers' names are 1. Etheric body. 2. Emotional body. 3. Mental body. 4. Astral body. 5. Etheric template body. 6. Celestial body. 7. Catheric or causal body. 8. Memory body. 9. Soul body. 10. Integrative body. 11. Eternal body and 12. Universal mind body. These layers can be perceived through touch, scent or sound. As these are living energies, their pulses are measurable. Your 12 energetic bodies and 7 chakra systems are connected to each other and to the cosmic center which called the Source. If you can think, you can notice that every human beings have the same standards on the energetic level. And through this understanding, you can easily understand our invisible ties to each other and why we care about unity consciousness awareness on this planet. It should be remembered that the Earth has similar energetic qualities too. The 7 chakras in your body are the centers where the life energy flows through. These are named as follows. 1. The root chakra, which represents your foundation and feelings of groundedness. 2. The sacral chakra, which represents deeper connection and your ability to accept others. 3. The solar plexus chakra, which is your control center and represents your confidence. 4. The heart chakra, which represents your ability to love. 5. The throat chakra, which represents the way you communicate. 6. The third eye chakra, which represents your ability to focus and see the bigger picture. 7. The crown chakra, which is the highest and represents your spiritual connection. When all these chakras are fully aligned, you experience wholeness and balance. But if some of these energy centers gets blocked, it prevents your energy from flowing smoothly. This shows up in lifestyle problems, body pains or even health issues. Just like showering your physical body, this body of energy needs proper hygiene. If it gets too dirty, it functions poorly and requires clearing or cleansing. Here is the 9 ways to clear your energetic field and balance your chakras. 1. Exercise. Exercising can give you that beach body, but its benefits go beyond that. Exercise gets your blood to circulate properly, resulting in a smooth flow of energy. 2. Eat like a vegan. Give additional consideration to your nutrition and the kind of food you put inside your body. You know, you are what you eat. Which means eating healthy foods will keep you healthy. If you want to be full of life, you need to eat what is alive. Eat first-hand organic foods that are closer to the sun, just like vegans do. They give your body the required nutrients and demand less energy to be processed. 3. Speak positively. Positive affirmations not only can brighten your mind but can be good to your aura and chakras as well. To keep positive vibes flowing, give an extra effort to focus on thinking and speaking positively. Let us introduce our channel for few seconds. If you interested in with these kinds of subjects, please subscribe to our channel for daily new videos. This channel, which we want to enlighten the humanity by transmitting information, may exist just with your support and because of you. Please don't forget to support us. And, let's give us a thumbs up to help us. Thank you. 4. Spend time in nature. There's no other place where your energy is cleansed ultimately than in nature. Nature absorbs all those stressful and negative energies while keeping you relaxed. So, when you're feeling down or energetically drained, try a walk on a sandy beach or a beautiful forest. Thus, it might do the magic trick. You can even go on with walking barefoot as the contact of the Earth's surface keeps all your body systems to function optimally. 5. Rest and relaxation. Keeping your body well rested keeps your aura healthy. Not having enough sleep or having tired body results to a shrinking of your aura. 6. Swim in a natural body of water. Let that natural rejuvenation wash all the negative energy and energetic blockages from you. Natural bodies of water neutralize negative energy. 7. Meditate. Meditation helps in clearing your energy systems, leaving you energized, calm and recharged. It opens up the chakra and floods the aura with fresh and pure energy. 8. Listen to music which has a good vibe. Most classical music is written through math and sacred geometry. Listening to such flow of notes clears your energy field through vibration as it speaks the language of the universe. 9. Go to a Reiki master. Find someone who practices Reiki healing and ask them to clear your energy field. They will evaluate what chakras are clogged and clean them directly through your energy body. We hope that the informations in the video will be beneficial for you. Thank you for being with us. And, thank you for watching. We are inseparable parts of an separated whole. We're one, you are the future. Please subscribe us and don't forget to support us through your precious like, share and leave a comment below. Until next time, take care of you. Namaste.